Hello, everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you, whoever is listening us from the whole country. I am Navneet Singh Rajpurohit, the director at Law Prep Tutorials. So today we've been joined by a very special guest and CLAT 2021, one of the toppers. This is Karthik Lal from Kerala. And Karthik, first of all, wishing you a very congratulations for your remarkable feat in CLAT 2021. So you've got All India third rank. So great congratulations to you for this feat. Exceptional achievement, Karthik.
Thank you, sir. And thank you for inviting me too.
Yeah. So Karthik, the whole country is basically waiting to hear it from you, certain success tips, the success strategies, how did you go about it? There are a lot of students, approximately 60 to 70,000 CLAT aspirants who will be appearing for CLAT next year, as in to how to prepare for CLAT. So Karthik, I'll first start off with, have you cracked CLAT along with your 12th standard, Karthik?
Yeah, I did not repeat. I did
Yeah.
my 12th.
So you did it along with 12. That makes it all the more special for us and for everyone that you have managed to do it along with 12. And this year, All India topper Manar Bansal has also done it along with 12. So now we are seeing more and more people doing it along with 12 boards. So Karthik, just briefly tell the whole students, everybody wants to listen your background. What subjects you had in 11th and 12th?
I had bio maths, so science, basically science.
Okay, science, math subjects you had. And where did you do your schooling from, Karthik?
I studied in Rajagiri Public School. I'm from Kerala,
Yeah,
Kochi.
yeah. So, Karthik, one main question that goes in everybody's mind that you have done along with your 12th class. So, first of all, let me ask you, when did you decide that you wanted to pursue law as a career option?
I decided on pursuing law in class 10. So I've been preparing from class 11. So I spent 2 years for this.
Okay. So, and how did you decide? Like somebody in your household is from the law background?
No, both of my parents are doctors.
Oh,
Um, but I liked law and I wanted to try something new. So
okay,
yeah,
Karthik.
just law.
So you wanted to try something new. So
Yeah.
this kind of fascinated you that this is something new. Let's do this. So you thought that doctor or engineering was like an orthodox choice. So let's do something new. Right, Karthik. So, Karthik, how did you manage your 12th studies and your CLAT preparation? Usually, students, even we teach a lot of students who are in 12th class, they find it somehow difficult to manage it along with 12th class. So, however, we had our 2019 topper, Soumya Singh, who also did it along with 12th class, and he topped CLAT and IELTS AR1. So, you have also done it with 12th class. How did you manage your 12th studies and CLAT preparation?
Well, I spent 3 hours per day for CLAT. I read the newspapers on a daily routine basis, and I attended coaching classes and other classes, school classes also with it. So it wasn't that hard to balance both. And I had a long break after the board exams were cancelled to prepare for CLAT. So I got a bit of time, solid bit of time for CLAT alone to prepare. And that's why this year a lot of people from 12th have passed CLAT.
Yeah, so you think the main reason is because the 12 boards got cancelled and initially they got postponed and then they got
Yeah.
cancelled. So you got a little bit more time
In the
than
online mode, you have more access to resources and more opportunity and time to study. So this is something that you can make use of even this year.
Right, Karthik. So Karthik, tell us something about was it like your consistent preparation that has brought you here to AIR 3 in the whole country? Did you consistently devoted this much of time throughout the year?
Well, I used to consistently read newspapers and do mocks and practice. But of course, there's a lot of blessings and luck involved in cracking the exam. So I won't say it's just uh, it not just my hard work, but a lot of luck in cracking this exam. But yes, if you practice more, you get better, and that is actually a very good strategy.
Okay, Karthik. So now let's. So that was like your consistent preparation that has brought you here. So basically, Karthik, you want to say that if you plan and channelize things well along with your 12th class, then it is very much possible. Like you consistently give time to CLAT as well. Plus, at the same time, you prepare for both, so you can do it. So.
Definitely.
What was your weakest section, Karthik, when you started preparing for CLAT, and how did you work on that?
Um, One of the weakest sections was GK because it's a huge, vast subject that nobody can finish studying. There's a lot of things that you must keep in mind. So that's why I read the newspapers. I did editorial analysis, and I read a lot of modules that were given. And one of the other was legal. I did a lot of old pattern legal questions. Um, from the pattern that was cancelled in 2020. I did those type of questions too in the
Oh,
beginning.
you did those type of questions too, Karthik.
Yes. And later I did the new pattern questions. So that helped me.
Okay, so that helped you. So did you like get it in your sixth sense that CLAT's going to focus on the old kind of questions, or how did you decide when the whole world was preparing for the new kind of questions or the new pattern questions, you still stuck to the old ones first and then you came to the new ones. So how did you decide that?
That is the foundation. It's given in the CLAT consortium site that we must do a lot of practice questions from the old pattern too. So I did those. And then I did a lot of online marks based on the new pattern. So that balanced both of it.
Okay, so that is a nice suggestion to all of you guys who are listening us from around the country. That Karthik has said that to start from the foundation, it is very much necessary to first do the old pattern questions, so that your legal concepts get right in your mind, and then you shift to the new pattern questions. So you said, Karthik, that GK was your weakest section, and then you worked on that. So if you can briefly, tell the students that what are the sources that you referred for your general knowledge section for GK section?
The main source was the Hindu newspaper. So I used to read the Hindu, and every day, some of these issues, that are widely discussed in the forum, online forum, and amongst people. You should research more about those issues. For example, whatever issue you take, you can go in detail into it. You can refer to sources such as Wikipedia or IAS preparation sites, and they give you a lot of information. You can read about it. um, the best way is to be curious. So if you have curiosity about something, you will read more about it. And if you read more, you will definitely remember more. So your brain is like a sponge. You can absorb a lot of things. So you just have to be a bit curious about things and you will get to know a lot of information.
Right, right, right. So that's a great prep strategy that you have shared, Karthik. So we saw, Karthik, that were you surprised to see CLAT paper this time? Was there any surprises for you?
Definitely. But CLAT is an aptitude test. It cannot have a rigid form to stick to.
Mm-hmm.
There is no norm that CLAT will stick to. That has been the experience. So you should be prepared for all eventualities that may arise. So but if you tend to read newspapers, I think that will definitely help you, to answer a lot of questions. And if a question is difficult for you, it will probably be difficult for the rest of the other people too. So you don't have to worry or stress when you're writing the exam. You just have to be cool when you write it.
Right, right. So that's also a nice suggestion to all the aspirants who are listening to us, that you got to maintain cool and calm. And while preparation, as well as, giving the exam, it is very much crucial because a lot of stuff is new. So you got to apply your mind with full confidence and calmness to solve those questions. Karthik, with All India third rank, obviously, what was your total score in CLAD? What you've got?
117.
117, Karthik. So, Karthik, do you remember your section-wise scores?
Not specifically, but
Where have you scored highest, Karthik?
logical reasoning.
And do you remember how much is that?
28.75.
Okay. And how much did you score in general knowledge, Karthik?
Nearly 28. Same, 29.
That's also a good score in comparison to, because let me tell you, I met Manhar Bansal as well, who has topped the country, who's AR1, and his score is around 24, 25 in GK. That's what he told me. So I think you've scored more than him. So have you, were you acquainted with all those questions? Because a lot of people say in GK there was questions on Chabahar Port, Ramsar project and all that. So were you acquainted with all those questions?
Yeah, definitely. I'm sure that your channel also gives a lot of information about important issues, current issues. I've seen that in your YouTube channel. I'm sure you teach a lot of that in your classes too. So yeah, I was taught that too, and yeah, those issues were, I knew a lot about those issues. I had done a lot of mocks, and so those issues were very uh, easy to me. So if
Okay.
you do a bit of research on those issues, it repeats a lot, so you can remember easily.
Right, Karthik. So my next question, Karthik, to you is, I think this will again be very helpful for people who are preparing for CLAD, the youngsters. If you can tell them, Karthik, about how important and crucial role is of mock test in your preparation.
I think it's very important, extremely important, because you can actually judge for yourself in which sections you're weak in, and which sections you're 1 second, and in which section you're strong in. So that can definitely help you. And then this is an aptitude test with only 120 minutes and 150 questions. So you can build the skill of time management only through doing a lot of mocks. So I think you should definitely do mocks, and you should definitely review them. That is equally important to doing a mock. You must review each and every question after you do the mock, and you can raise questions if you have doubts.
Right. So Karthik, did you find the CLAD 2021 lengthy?
It was actually shorter than the last year's CLAT paper, but yeah, it can seem lengthy to people. And the only way to do good in CLAT is to attempt a lot of questions. And to do that, you need to improve your reading speed. So you must read a lot of books. You can do this in the 11th standard. You can improve your reading speed, and you can build upon that base when you study later in 12th.
Right. How many questions you attempted, Karthik, in CLAD 2021?
I attempted 148 questions.
So that's a great attempt, because I think one question got cancelled. So 149 questions the total थे उसमें से you attempted 148. So that's a great number. So that shows that you finished the paper well on time.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you have to improve your reading speed and comprehension to do that. And I did that by reading newspapers, reading a lot of books. And I would advise you not to read pulp fiction, but to definitely read non-fiction books. Those are good ways to improve your reading speed.
So during the preparation, students should read non-fiction books as well, along with newspapers to improve the reading speed of the students. That's a nice suggestion. Okay, Karthik. So did you appear for IELTS as well?
No, I did not write it.
You did not appear for IELTS?
No.
And if I may ask, why, Karthik?
Because
of the CLAD score?
Yeah, one of the reasons, yes. And
did you fill the form of IELTS?
Yeah, but the center was a bit far from my house. So.
Oh my God. So the center was far, so you thought that let's not give it, because you had already got your CLAD scores and you knew that you're making it to NLS Bangalore. Was it your dream college?
Yeah, NLS was the dream college. Yeah.
So you're set to join NLS Bangalore,
I
Karthik.
already joined yesterday.
Oh yeah, you told me that the orientation has already started and you might have already met a lot of your peers who are there in the same batch. So Karthik, last few questions. Did you get the mental support required to prepare for CLAT from your family? Since usually we see that people whose students whose parents are from different background, like doctors, engineers, they usually want their children to go into the same field like engineering, doctors, and medical. So how did you get the support of doing CLAT from your parents? Like,
Well, my parents were really open and they gave me the choice to choose the subjects that I liked and the uh, path that I wanted to create on my own. They did not impose their path on me. So definitely that was a huge support on their behalf.
okay, so they left it on you to decide that whatever you wanted to do, you could do it.
Yeah.
So, what are your future plans, Karthik? After now, since now you've got into the Makkah and Medina of legal education, what we call it as the National Law School, Bangalore, Nagar Bhavi campus, the greenery around. I've been there, so in and around that area, so I know the campus. So, what are your future targets now since going to the top law school in the country?
Well, I really want to explore the opportunities that will be presented to me. And this is a great privilege, and I would like to utilize the privilege to the, to fulfill my personal goals as well as the public goal of NLS.
Okay. Any specific target that you have in your mind that any judiciary or UPSC or corporate litigation or normal law firms?
I think it's too early to make fixed targets now because I do not have the requisite information nor the knowledge to do that. So it would be sanguine to wait for some time and explore my opportunities.
Very apt answer, Karthik. You sound so matured. You sound so intellectually high at this age that you seem to be a guy who likes to live in the moment and not think too much about the future. So did you every now listen hearing that from you? I'm curious to ask you that did you plan or think about this AIR 3 All India third rank or not?
This is like a lottery, so I cannot say for sure that I would get this wrong. Definitely, I wanted to get into NLS like every other law aspirant, and yeah, I got in. It was not. I never had a dream of getting a particular rank or anything, but I really wanted to get into NLS, and so God has been gracious to give me that opportunity. Yeah.
Right. So, Karthik, last few things that I wanted to ask you is that how long did you prepare for common law admission test?
Um, I've been preparing for 2 years, so from my 11th. But yeah, in 11th, I spent most of my time reading newspapers and books to build the foundation. I did mock seriously from 12th, the end of 12th, and in the last few months. So I did spend a lot of time, but in from 11th, but not. I did not study the whole time, or I did not devote the whole day to class. I did school and other activities along with it
So,
in a
since
balanced manner.
exams are also out, Karthik, what is your 12th grade or percentage?
I got 499, so 99.8%.
Wow, Karthik, that's that's again, fabulous performance that 99 point something percentage you've scored in 12th class. So 499 means like 100 on 100 in four subjects and 99 in one subject.
Yeah,
So what was that Durbhagyashali subject where you have scored 99?
English.
Oh, English.
Yeah.
English English prevented you from scoring 500 on 500.
Yeah.
So again, were you expecting such scores in 12th class as well?
Well,
So
yeah, I spent a lot of time
that means you have
studying.
worked hard for 12th as well. That
Yeah,
shows that you worked hard for 12th as well. Were you expecting this in 12th?
I had actually worked a lot hard for 12th, but the board exams were cancelled. So There was no way in knowing the exact marks that I could score. So yeah, that was a surprise.
So I think Kerala state particularly has got some kind of a lottery this time, Karthik. That AIR 4, again, she's a student, Shweta. She's also from Kerala, and you are also from Kerala. So it seems that a lot of Keralites are making it to NLS Bangalore. Not
Yeah,
so far. Southern states are going to a southern state. So you will have a lot of cultural similarities, a lot of maybe not exactly linguistic similarities, but you will find it and feel it like home, I feel. So that was it, Karthik. Any quick piece of suggestion or tip you want to share with the thousands of students who are already listening to you or who will, later on listen to this video later on, a lot of students in our institute. Any 2 3 lines or 4 steps suggestion or tips that
yeah.
you want to share with them?
One would be to read newspapers regularly. Two would be to read the questions, not the options, the questions before reading the paragraph. Three would be to not stress about this exam and to be curious about things that are happening around you. And that will definitely help you crack this exam. And four would be not to stress out while you're writing the exam. So these four things are the things I would like to say.
Yeah, so
And
basically,
anybody can crack it, definitely.
reading, according to you, reading makes it the more important part, that someone who has a great command on reading skills can do it. And then it comes on to the stress level, that you need not to take stress, be cool, be calm in the paper while preparation. So, Karthik, really, I want to tell it to you, take it as a compliment, that you sound really matured, you sound really intellectually high, and seems like after talking to you, it perfectly seems like you deserve the rank. And
And it's a privilege.
yeah, again, wishes from our side for this All India third rank feat. And we are wishing you all the very, very luck for your future endeavors. And may you have a rocking time in a National Law School, Bangalore, the Strawberry Fields. There are a lot of, now you must be knowing about it, the cultural fest and all those, the gala time that is waiting for you there. So,
Thank you.
Karthik, thanks for talking to us, and thanks for guiding so many students across the country. I'm sure throughout the year, people who keep getting in touch with you on social platforms, you keep on guiding them, and wishing you again a very good luck. Thanks for talking to us, Karthik. Best of
Thank
luck.
you so much for inviting me, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.